Hey guys, we make some roast fish. Let's go. The fish is already washed and clean. Now it's time to add the dry rub. I'm gonna use jerk seasoning. Garlic powder. Scotch bonnet powder. This smells so good already. Carrots. Okra. And if you don't eat okra, all you have to do is just skip it. You don't have to put it on. Onion. Garlic. Callaloo. So now go ahead and preheat your oven at 400 degrees, okay? We're gonna combine everything together. Fresh thyme. Coconut oil. You can use butter instead. And we're gonna mix this up. Look at that, look pretty. Now we're gonna add a little fowl packet. Add the fish. And you're gonna add a little bit of everything, okay? Now I'm gonna add butter to it. You can leave the butter out completely, okay? Okay, so this is one. Butter. Now we're gonna pop these into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Coconut milk, Bammy. Gonna let these soak up for about 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. have the bammy damp on the side. To soak up that. To soak up this nice juice on the side. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. I never go like this. Una get one all of one for yourself. I'm tell about the bammy. I soak up the flavor. Speechless. That's how you make me feel. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.